Hi. In previous video, we seen content-based and recommender system. Content-based how it works, advantages on advantage, and how it recommended, how it recommending the such videos, movies, or any items. In this, we see collaborative filtering. Collaborative filtering needs a set of items that are based on the user's historical choices. This system does not require a good amount of product features to work. An embedding or feature vector describes each item and the user, and it syncs both the items and the users in a similar embedding location. It creates enclosure for items and the user on its own. Other purchasers' reactions are taken into consideration while uh, suggesting a specific product to the primary user. It keeps track of the behavior of all users before recommending which item is most liked by users. It also relates similar user by similarity in preference and behavior towards a similar product when proposing a product to the primary customer. Two sources are used to record the interaction of the product user. First, through implicate feedback, user likes and dislikes are recorded and then noticed by their action like clicks, listening to music tracks such as purchase records, page views, etc. On the other hand, explicit feedback is when a customer specifies dislikes or likes by rating or reacting against any specific product on a scale of 1 to 5 star. This is direct feedback from the users to show like and dislike about the product. It includes both positive and negative feedback. Collaborative filtering is the most famous application suggestion engine and is based on calculated guesses. The people who like the product will enjoy the same product in the future. This type of algorithm is also known as product-based collaborative shift. In this filtering, users are filtered and associated with each user in place of its items. In the system, only user's behavior is considered. Only their content and profile information is not enough. The user giving a positive rating to products will be associated with the other users' behaviors, giving a similar rating. Next, hybrid filtering. Hybrid filtering is also one of the search engine. Hybrid filtering approaches a mixture of collaborative content-based filtering methods. While it's not a collaborative, but it's a mixture of collaborative content-based methods while making suggestion. The film's contents also considers the user to item relation and the user to user relation also play a vital role at the time of the recommendation. This framework gives a film recommendation as per the user's knowledge, provides unique recommendation and solves a problem if the specific buyer ignores relevant data. The user's profile data is collected on the website. From the website, film's content or context also consider the users watching film and the data of the scores of the movie. The data consists of aggregating similar calculation. The method is also called the hybrid approach, in which both methods are used to produce the results. When the system is compared with the other approaches, the system has higher suggestion accuracy. This is the main reason in the absence of information about the filtering domain dependency and the people's interest in content-based system. When these two approaches work together, you will get more knowledge, leading to better results. It explores the new paths to significant underlying content and collaborative filtering methods with the buyer behavior data. The system has taken implement to both the system and overcome most of the weaknesses of each system's algorithms and improves the system performance, classification, and trusted techniques and are used for getting more excellent recommendations, thus growing accuracy and precision. Our method can be lengthier than other rules to recommend video, song, news books, menu, e-commerce site, tourism, etc. Types of collaborative functions. There are two types of collaborative filtering, such as memory-based collaborative filtering, model-based collaborative filtering. In memory-based collaborative filtering is one of the method that calculates the similarity between user or item using the user's previous data based on ranking. The main objective of this method is to describe the degree of resemblance between user or object and it discover homogeneous ratings to suggest the obscured items. Memory-based consists of the following two methods. User-based collaborative filtering. In this method, the same user who has similar rankings for the homogeneous items is known. Then point out the that users orders for items to which the user is never linked. Let's understand with an example. Consider Harry and Jack are given on few ways. Harry, Toy Story is equal to 4, Coco is equal to Zootopia is equal to 3. Jack, Toy Story 4, Coco to Zootopia is no. Now we need to find out the rating of Zootopia, which Jack has never viewed for this. For this, we need to follow the given steps. Identify the target user. According to the example, Jack is the target user. Find the same user who has rating like the target user. Explore the interacted items. Forecast the ranking of unseen things of the target user. If the forecasted ranking are higher than the threshold, then the suggested them to the target user. Next, item-based collaborative. In item-based collaborative filtering, we find the same items that the target has already viewed. Jack Finding Nemo 4, Jack Finding Nemo 4.4, Moana 3, Toy Story 4. Identify the target user. Here, identify the target user. Find the matched items which have the same ratings as the items the target users rated. Forecast the rankings for the same item. The forecasted rankings are higher than the threshold, then suggest them to the target user. Though the item-based model shows better contributions as compared to the user-based, as the dissonance between items seems to be consistent than the user. A numerical method using a similarity matrix is the most common technique. It involves dot product, cosine similarity, Pearson similarity, and Euclidean distance. Next, model-based collaborative. Model-based collaborative filtering is not required to remember the base matrix. Instead, the machine models are used to forecast and calculate how a customer gives rating to each product. The system algorithms are based on machine learning to predict unrated products by customer ratings. These algorithms are further divided into different subsets: matrix factorization based algorithms, deep learning methods, and clustering algorithms. Normally, the simple cluster algorithms used like k nearest neighbor to identify the nearest embedding or neighbor consisting of a similar matrix used for a product or a customer embedding. The matrix factorization technique is different from analyzing and exploring the rate of rating matrix in an algebra context and it has two main goals. First, the initial ambition is to reduce the rating matrix dimension. This approach's second ambition is to identify prospective feature under the rating matrix, which will provide several recommendations. In collaborative filtering, two or more frequent techniques are used. The model-based techniques applies a statistics system and a machine learning approach for minimizing the rating matrix. Still, the model-based approach does not produce expected results compared to CBF and CF approaches. CBF means content-based, CF means collaborative filtering. An extensive based database handled under infrequent matrices. Collaborative filtering is a straightforward interpretation of how these algorithms use crowd data. A large amount of data is gathered from the different people and user for creating customized suggestion and preference of a single user. These methods were developed in 1990s and 2000s. Social media has brought innovation and data availability has increased access to information from different sources. The recommender system has begun to use social networking, accounting, inclusion to similarity. Examples of collaborative filtering. One of the best examples of collaborative can be seen in the area of e-commerce. When you browse an e-commerce website, you can see that it shows some recommended products to you. Some of the items they are prices preciously the same as that what you were looking for. Now a question may arise about how the website knows further. It will all just become a collaborative. In social connection sites, friend suggestion is also very common. For example, on Facebook, a section is displayed known for people you may know. It is very outstanding feature and so a list of people to add them as a friend. Based on social connection data, the system educates and guesses some missing edges. Like if you are friends with the 10th and 10th out of 11th densely associated people, it is like you must be friend with the 11th. Social connections are built by using algorithm of collaborative filtering. Let's take one more example. Bob and Alice have the same interest in playing. Bob played it and enjoyed the game a lot. Alice did not play that game yet. But the system has determined that Bob and Alice have the same interest, so the system recommends the game to Alice. Collaborative filtering can be performed by recommender system using the same product. The other buyer will like the same item. One more example of NXM in this matrix is made up of buyer's rating. N refers to the buyer and M refers to the item or object. Every element of this matrix K how user L rated product K. We are dealing with the movies so ratings and every rating should be several between 1 to 5. Where follow 1-star rating to 5-star rating. If the user did not rate a particular movie or movie one is rated by user K. Collaborative filtering does not need content extraction analysis. People will be able to evaluate information accurately as compared to counted functioning. Complex objects or multimedia like music, movies, and images started working well. Advantage and disadvantage of content-based collaborative. For telling the whole story, the item's content is unnecessary, like movie genre and type. If the information of a product is not available, the product can be rated easily without delay in buying the product. Content focus does not give any adaptability to the user preference and aspects. Collaborative filtering relies on other buyers rating to identify the connection between the buyers and provide the best suggestion on the user similarities. As a comparison, the content-based method just needs to analyze the user profile. Collaborative filtering gives suggestion because most of the unknown buyers have a similar taste to you. Still in content based, you will get the recommendation of items based on product features. The gold star is the main problem of content based and it arises when the recommendation system is made up of very few rating records. In this case, content based filtering is an excellent alternative into this problem. Drawbacks. Content-based system is only a design suggestion based on the current interest of the user. Therefore, you can also say that the system is only limited to bias existing desires or interest. Since the item representation of the features is hand set up comparatively, it requires enough domain knowledge. Therefore, this model is only with the excellent hand set features. If the content of the product is not good enough to describe the product preciously, so the made recommendation will be false at the end. The content-based approach provides a limited amount of innovation since the item and profile features should be matched. You need to be surprised by excellent content-based filtering method. The system correct recommendation cannot be provided unless strong user profile information is put in the system. Online buyers and internet users crave personalized experience. Most users prefer to use recommendation suggested by different websites to save their time because they do not want to waste their precious time searching and getting lost information. As this trend is evolving, more organizations are using different recommender system to personalize their business tools. Implementing a recommender system can be expensive, but surely you will get the benefits of highly customized content. This creates a unique stickiness to the product offering, creating or invisible pulling in customers that benefits the organization. with here collaborative filtering is getting under. And thank you.